Hello dear fans. Why cucumber is called a false berry? People think that cucumber is a vegetable, however, as it turns out, it is not at all a vegetable. The botanical classification calls the cucumber, which has long been used as a vegetable, a false berry. So what is this interpretation connected with? Cucumber. The original homeland of the wild cucumber is northeastern India, where it grows, twining its shoots around tree trunks. Cucumber was brought to Russia from China, Byzantium and Western Europe. It quickly gained popularity in Russian cuisine and began to be actively grown and used for preparing vegetable salads and other main dishes. But botanical scientists have identified cucumber in the category of false berries. This is due to the fact that it is an overgrown juicy fruit bed, on the surface of which fruits and seeds are located. According to the botanical classification, in addition to cucumber, strawberries and garden strawberries are also classified as false berries. Cucumber berries are known for their low calorie content, so they are ideal for fasting days, as well as a healthy addition to sandwiches with fish, cheese, or lean meat. Overripe cucumbers weaken well, and a decoction of them has worked well for jaundice and liver diseases. However, the main advantage of cucumber is that it consists of 97% water, which has living and environmentally friendly properties, bestowed upon it by nature itself. Cucumber juice dissolves the poisons accumulated in the body, removing them through the kidneys along with sand and stones. The beneficial substances of cucumber. Cucumbers are high in sulfur, silicon, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium and potassium, which support healthy teeth, hair and skin. They also contain an easily digestible form of iodine. Scientists have long noticed that cucumber lovers practically do not suffer from problems with the thyroid gland. Cucumber fiber relieves the body of excess cholesterol, and in combination with pectins, it significantly improves the functioning of the digestive tract. In addition, cucumbers are extremely popular with raw foodists as they do not require cooking. In folk medicine, compresses made from crushed cucumbers are applied to inflamed or burnt skin. Cucumbers also contain vitamin C, B1, provitamin A, thiamine and other elements necessary for better digestibility of protein and other foods. That is why nutritionists recommend supplementing all main dishes with a salad of fresh cucumbers and other vegetables, while avoiding their combination with milk. The largest amount of vitamins is found not in overripe, but in young cucumbers. The slimming effect of the cucumber diet is due to tartronic acid, which prevents carbohydrates from being converted to fats. Thanks for watching.